What is Dobrynier's triad? Dobrynier's triad, basically, Dobrynier was a scientist who wanted to classify elements into different groups, and so he formed a way out. He said that when we group three elements together, he found some of the elements they have the same properties, and the atomic mass also were very common, very close to each other. So he made a triad. He grouped three elements together in a triad, and then he said that those three elements had same kind of properties, and when the lowest atomic mass and the highest atomic masses were added and divided by 2 to find the average or the mean, the answer was very close, very approximately it was very close to the middle atom. Now, middle element. That means basically the first example which he took was calcium, strontium, and barium. Now, calcium has had the lowest atomic mass, that was 40, and barium had the highest. He added the smallest and the highest atomic masses and divided it by 2. What the answer he got was very close to the atomic mass of strontium, and so he grouped calcium, strontium, and barium together in a group, in a triad. And he also said that these three elements are all metals and they all have valency 2 and they all had alkali oxide. So the properties also matched and the atomic masses also had a close relation. This was the Dobrynier's triad.